Hello everyone, my name is Margaret. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be giving my review of this was a released Realme Buds Q2 last year. It's worth 1,290 pesos. And this has a 20-hour long-lasting battery. It has 10 millimeters large bass boost driver and 10 minutes charge for 120 minutes playback. So I'm gonna show this to you right now. It comes along with blue or either black colors. I love the pastel color, however, it wasn't available when I purchased it, and so it looks like this. What's good about these, so pardon for the background, that's our CR over there. So if you can see, it doesn't have any wire. And what's good about these buds are they can be controlled through taps. So when you buy it, it comes along with a very short, although it's very short, but it will do. It works with any Android cord, and it of course comes along with a manual. What you need to do though to connect it to your phone is simply turn on your Bluetooth. I'll be testing the Bluetooth in a bit. So when you open it, you need to press it for 3 seconds and then wait for it to be connected to your phone. I haven't really tried draining it because I usually use the ones with wires. I haven't tried it as well running, but I can try to do that. But what's good about these buds is that they really cancel noise. So if ever you have noisy background, it won't capture it. So let's go ahead and try this out. What I will do is, because right now I don't have any microphone, I'm using the built-in microphone of the Huawei Nova 3i. What I'll do is I'll stop the video, connect the Bluetooth, and try it out. And I hope it will work. Alright, so I hope you can hear me well. I'm using both right now. Okay, so that's how it looks like if you're wearing it. And this is how the case looks like. What you need to do again to connect it to your Bluetooth is press both down for 3 seconds and wait for it to connect to your Bluetooth. However, I've tried connecting it and just pressing one of them. It doesn't really work. So kunay mawa, good luck. So this is both. What I do is to save battery, sometimes I just use one and just replace it to the charging pod, and then with that you're saving battery life. So this can be used for calls and for audio, and it also has a game mode. I haven't tried game mode because I don't really play with my cell phone. I usually play with a gaming PC of my husband. So so there are instructions here on how to operate. Triple click is next song. Double click is either you play or pause the music and to answer or hang up the call. And long press for 2 seconds to reject the call. So you have a few actions to memorize in order to operate this Realme Buds Q2. For you to enter or exit the game mode, you need to have both on. So I think that's the downside. You need to have both on in order to enter the game mode. For me, sometimes it's hard to connect to the Bluetooth because I don't really know if I have to press hard for it to reach the gold. There's a golden part here for in the pod. Sorry for this. This is hair ink. So if you press it hard, it will reach this part here, I guess, because like this, it has a slide motion when you put it inside the pod, and I think that matters. You need to be patient whenever connecting it to your Bluetooth, but so far the base is good. And again, this is 1,290 Realme Buds Q2. So guys, if you like this video, that's a very short feedback of the Realme Q2 buds. I think my friend also had a review, an honest review of the Realme AirBuds Neo. I had a friend who always gives reviews on local products, and I thought this was one of them. My bad. So once again, guys, if you want to try this out, it's available in Shopee and Lazada, and it's available in local markets already. I saw a sale recently. They sold this for 990, but I think it's because of the monthly sales to Shopee, so you can try this out. I hope it's recording well. I'm gonna be listening to the video after this because I'm not really sure if it's recording right now, but I hope you were able to compare the difference of the audio of me recording the video from the built-in microphone or from this Realme Buds Q2. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you subscribe below, tap on that notification bell so that you'll be aware of new uploads, and also please don't forget to like and follow my page as well, Margrette Vlogs, in case you're watching this video from Facebook. Thank you so much for your support, lovies. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye!
1, 2, 3, funky. My darling, I love you.